Here's a color related problem inside Davinci Resolve version 18. Let's set it to full screen. So more exactly, this road is not uniformly gray, but it has bluish and pinkish spots. Blue here, pink there, and so on. And if I play the video, those spots even change location. They move from one location to another. Okay, so how to eliminate those spots and make the road gray? Come here to the color tab. Using these, make sure you are on this one, which is color wheels, and then check for color boost. If color boost is enabled, then you have those spots on the gray road, so reset that one by double clicking on it, and then the spots might go away. Let's just increase it more, set it to full screen. Notice the pink and blue spots are even more visible, pink there and blue there. Okay, and if I reset it to 0 by double clicking on the text and set it to full screen, now the image is less vibrant, but the road is much more uniform. It doesn't show those pink and blue spots. If you want to add more saturation to the image and saturation is already at the maximum, then come here to the edit tab on the effects window, this one. Come here to effects, adjustment clip, and drag that one above your video. Drag it out to your entire video. Click on that one, go to the color tab, enable clips, make sure you are on the adjustment clip, and now increase the saturation even more if you want, as much as you like. So double click on it to reset it, and let's add just a little bit more. And now full screen. Now the road is not perfectly gray, but it definitely shows less of those pink and blue spots. So try not to use color boost, but more saturation instead. If you cannot add it to the clip anymore because it's at the maximum, then add an adjustment clip and add color saturation to that one.